If you want to know where to get cars for up to 90% off, you are in the right place. Stay tuned, we're starting right now. Welcome back, Modified Crew. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today we're going to be talking about Copart. Anytime somebody crashes a car and it is salvaged out, it will typically end up at either Copart or the insurance auto auctions. Imagine all the cars that have crashed worldwide.
Well, that sucks.
They all have to go somewhere, and a majority of them end up at Copart. Selling more than 2 million vehicles annually, Copart is one of the largest auto auctions in the world. Copart may specialize in salvage vehicles, but they also sell clean title vehicles, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, industrial vehicles, and much more. At Copart, they have something for everyone. We're talking dismantlers, dealers, body shops, salvage buyers, or individuals like myself. With more than 170 locations across 47 states, 8 in Canada, you're bound to find a Copart near you. Copart has auctions every weekday, Monday through Friday, and they are selling thousands of cars a day. We're talking thousands of cars, guys. At any given moment, Copart has up to 200,000 vehicles for sale. When we're talking about a company that moves that many cars daily, with a lot of them requiring a little bit of wrench time, we're talking a lot of savings, up to 90%, guys. Guys, I am not sponsored by Copart. I just love buying from them. I bought multiple vehicles from Copart, and if you know what you're doing, you could save a lot of money just by doing a little wrench time. I'm gonna rebuild one of my cars with a bucket full of tools in the dirt. If you want to learn all about how to buy cars from Copart and rebuild them, plus everything involved, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that alert bell so you don't miss a thing. For those of you that have already subscribed, welcome to the Modified Crew. Next episode up, I'm going to show you how to start an account with Copart.